Welcome to all. Have a grateful day. Unit first, electrostatics. Today discuss title name, electric field due to a dipole at a equatorial plane. Equatorial plane. Okay. Already you know electric field and electric dipole. So what is meant by electric dipole? Two equal and opposite charges separated in small distance, minus q and plus q. Two equal and opposite charges separated to a distance, separated in small distance, is called a electric dipole. This is electric dipole. We find out electric field in equatorial line. So positive and negative charges separated. Equatorial line middle point is O, and equatorial line OC, another one straight line. So we find out electric field in a C point, So electric field minus, already you know that E value, E equal to 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Q by R squared into P cap. Then minus Q in A point, some changes in C affected to the C point electric field. Electric field E negative equal to some value, and B point in plus Q charge changes C point at that electric field in E positive. We find out E positive and E negative. Then direction is very important in this place. Direction, two type of directions. First one perpendicular direction and plane, same plane direction. Perpendicular mean sin theta, cos theta, sin 0 equal to 0, sin 90 equal to 1, sin cos 0 equal to 1, cos 90 equal to 0. So sin 0 equal to 0, and this plane, opposite plane, sin totally sin value is 0. Sin 0 equal to 0. This place sin value overall 0, and this place sin 90 degree. Sin 90 degree equal to 1, and opposite side sin 180 degree equal to minus 1. So the E1 sin theta and E2 sin theta is equal to 0. So cancel for sin theta, only use to cos theta. E negative equal to modulus of E cos theta into P cap. E positive equal to modulus of E positive cos theta P cap. Then use to superposition principle. E total equal to minus of E negative plus minus modulus of E positive. Then apply to this equation and substituting this equation. So this equation changes in minus 2 E cos theta into P cap. This equation modulus of minus E cos theta P cap, modulus of plus E cos theta P cap. These two values are equal. Then how is equal this value? Then find out CP and AC equal to CP and AC. Then using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse squared equal to opposite side squared plus adjacent side squared. This theta, opposite side or adjacent side A, hypotenuse CB. So CB equal to R plus A. this r equal to distance between two point charge, distance between 2 point charge. So this one in E positive value is E into the 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by CB squared. E positive equal to 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Q by CB squared into cos theta P cap, then CB squared, CB mean hypotenuse squared equal to opposite side squared plus adjacent side squared. This value substituting in this equation, so 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R squared plus A squared cos theta into P cap E modulus of E positive modulus of E negative equal to same equation but changing in distance 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by CB equal to AC. So AC square. Then find out AC. AC is hypotenuse. So AC squared equal to opposite side squared plus adjacent side squared. Hypotenuse squared AC squared equal to opposite side squared R squared plus adjacent side A squared. Then substituting this equation, then modulus of E negative equal to this value and modulus of B positive equal to this value. So substituting this superposition principle E total equal to E1 and E2 is equal. E1 and E2 is equal. Equation 1 and 2 is equal. So substituting this equation changes in minus 2q cos theta P cap divided R squared plus A squared. Okay. Minus these two equations are substituting in superposition principle equation. E total equal to minus E negative minus E positive, minus E negative substituting this value and minus E negative substituting this value. So equation changes in minus 2q cos theta P cap divided R squared plus A squared. E total equal to minus 2q cos theta P vector divided R squared plus A squared dot 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Okay. Next we find out cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side A, hypotenuse root of R squared plus A squared. Root of R squared plus A squared or R squared plus A squared whole power 1 by 2. Then applying this, find out cos theta A divided R squared plus A squared whole power 1 by 2. This is cos theta value. Applying this equation, E total equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2q A divided R squared plus A squared P cap dot A divided R squared plus A squared whole power 1 by 2. Then multiply this two value minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, multiplying higher order, multiplying topper and bottom terms, 2qa divided r square plus a square whole power 1 and whole power 1 by 2, a power m dot a power n equal to a power m plus n. This used this formula, whole power 1 plus 1 by 2 equal to 3 by 2, 1 plus 1 by 2 equal to 3 by 2. Next, minus 1 by 4 by epsilon naught and e cap. Electric dipole moment, already we discussed it in electric dipole moment. Electric dipole moment is, what is electric dipole moment? Any one point charge and the distance between two charge, point charge q and distance between two charge 2a, and unit of electric dipole moment. This multiplying this equation is called P vector. So applying this equation, P vector divided r square plus a square whole power 3 by 2. Then find out E total value, R value, this A value, A mean a small distance, A very very small distance, R higher distance. So R is greater than A. Then A value is neglected. A value is neglected. Then minus 1 by 4 by epsilon naught P vector divided R square whole power 3 by 2. Then simplify this equation, A power m whole power n equal to A power m into n, m dot n. Then 2 to cancel, remaining values are applying this equation, P vector minus P vector divided 4 pi epsilon naught into r cube. So electric field in equatorial line, electric field in equatorial line minus P vector divided 4 by epsilon naught into r cube. This equatorial line, this equatorial line is imagination to point charge, positive and negative point charge. This equatorial line, this one plane, this plane equatorial line. Any one point we consider, in any one point, all our point electric field is P equal to minus E equal to minus P vector divided 4 by epsilon naught r cube. Okay, thank you.